Good morning, good morning. Let's get ready for the show. Hi friends, it's Mrs. Tamuchi. I'm so excited to be with you today. Prayer a day. Welcome to Crafty Wednesday. Are you guys excited? Today is April the 7th, which is my son Remy's birthday. He's 10 today. We've been talking about how 10 and 10 make 20 and then 5, 25. So he's the big 10. He's two hands. A lot of my friends are turning one hand. He's two hands today. We're so happy for him. He got a bike for his birthday. He's so excited. Okay, wonderful world is from our prayer today. Summer suns are glowing over land and sea. Happy light is flowing, bountiful and free. Everything rejoices in the mellow rays. All earth's thousand voices swell the psalm of praise. That's Bishop Howe, 1823, 1897. I love to see the raindrops splashing on the sidewalks. I love to see the sunlight twinkling in the rain. I love to see the wind gusts drying up the raindrops. I love to feel the sunshine coming out again. Thank you for the thunderstorm, thank you for the wind and rain, and thank you for the sunshine coming out again. We talked about rain in our last one with Mr. Rogers. Do you remember yesterday, friends? Do you remember how to say it's raining in French? Il pleut. How do we say it's raining in Spanish? Está lloviendo. And what about in Germany? In German, what they say in Germany is es regnet. I think. I don't know how to pronounce Spanish or German. However, I do know il pleut, French. I took that in high school and college. And then Mrs. Surratt taught us it's raining in Italian, which is piove. It's raining, right? So we know how to say that in 4 languages. And Nico and Kay taught us how to say it in Greek, but now I cannot remember. Maybe they'll type it in the comments for us so we can remember. And then we'll have to memorize these. Something fun. So let's go to our Mr. Rogers neighborhood really quickly. A lonely kind of thing. It's a lonely thing to think you might do something that might make someone very mad. It's a lonely thing to think you might hurt someone and that someone might be your mom or dad, someone you like very much. It's so lonely, lonely. It's a very lonely, lonely kind of thing. Yeah, sometimes we might hurt someone else's feelings, not on purpose, not intentionally. And what do? We might feel sad and lonely for that moment, but what can we do, friends, to make that better? Right? What can we do? We could say, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Or what about if your feelings are hurt? What could you do? You might say, my feelings are hurt because, and tell the person, right? And then they might say they're sorry, and they might be surprised and say, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. A lot of times, people are not intentionally trying to hurt us or make us upset, but we still have to be communicative so that our feelings are shared both ways, so that we're not lonely. Okay, guys? I hope you enjoyed today's Crafty Wednesday video. We're on to shh. Shh. You believe it? Shh. 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 It's gonna be a quiet video, friends. Okay, enjoy. And happy birthday to Remy if he's watching. He might watch later on. Sometimes he does. 10, who knew? Flies by, friends. You wouldn't believe it. Okay. Remember our lively letter? Shh. Shh. Quiet, big air sound. This H is complaining. I don't know why. So I shake him quite gently and tell him, don't cry. I just want to shush him, so I make this choice. I use big lips to send out big air with no voice. Remember? I say shh, 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 shh. Hi friends, let's try to write our sh, sh, sh sound that you saw in our worksheet that just passed by, okay? We're starting with our S. Okay, and here is a big capital H, and that says shh. So it's s. When you put those two sounds together, it sounds like this. Shh. Let's flip our board and we're going to try it lowercase now. S is same, only a little smaller. And the H is like that. S. Put them together. Shh. S is around. H is down, up, around. Okay? Practice that on your worksheet that I sent home, okay? I think Mrs. Threat may have sent it with the art kit, or I sent it also to your parents on the Facebook group in the comments section, okay? Can't wait to see what you did.
Hello my friends, welcome to Crafty Wednesday, and it is a different Crafty Wednesday because we finished all of our alphabet, A to Z, all of our letters. Such a good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Very nice. Now we are on to some blended letters. So the SH makes a sh sound. So we are going to do a little puzzle. I sent you this sheet and I sent you all these little cutouts of little things that represent the words or make up the words that start with the letters SH. Sh. So the first one is, if anyone can tell me you think you know what that is a shadow. See the little arrow going down to the cat's shadow? And we're just going to put some glue on the back of that. And we are going to start doing our gluing. We're going to make our puzzle. Put some glue on the back. I'm using a little bit too much glue here. Whoops. It's always using too much glue. Always messing around. Adding too much. Whoops. I just put way too much glue on my kitty cat here. Okay. What we're going to do, I'm just going to start with the S. So I'm going to come in over here a little bit more. So you can see, we're going to start it right here at the top. Well, yeah, just like we start our letters. At the top. I'm going to stick our shadow cat right there. Next is your shell. You put glue on the back of that one. And that comes next on our paper. Again, Mrs. Thread's using too much glue. I don't know what's happening to my glue sticks here. I'm thinking I was going to stick a little hole. See? Just like a puzzle piece. We're going to stick that little piece right in there. And we're going to stick that down. That's our shadow and our shell. Next is a shirt. Put some glue on the back of that one. And you're gonna put it right here. It's gonna connect just like a puzzle piece. Push that down. Shirt. Now we have a shelf. Just follow right down on the S. And put it right in there. Oops. There you go. Next is a shoe. We do our shoe. It goes right in here. shovel. Shovel. There's some glue on the back of my shovel. Goes right here. I'm telling you the order so that it's not so difficult for you to try to figure out what pieces go where. And here is a sheep. There we go. Next is our H. And we have the dun shark. Do our shark. And he goes right at the top, just like our letters start at the top when we write our letters. Next is a shed. Some of you may have this in your backyard. Some stuff in it, right? We keep our lawnmower in there, our snowblower to get all the snow blown away. Let's see. Thank goodness we have no more snow right now. It's starting to become very nice out. What's next? Oh, shapes. A square. Let's see, what's a square? Square, circle, triangle. Some glue on the back of that. And put it right there. That looks like a big piece too, doesn't it? I like doing puzzles. Do you like doing puzzles? They're nice. They're fun to do, to figure out where the pieces go. And then when it comes all together, it's like a picture. These are a bunch of little pictures. This is called a shuttle. It's kind of like a plane, but not really. It goes up into the sky, way up to in the I guess the universe, right? Let's see. Oops, it's not going down. There we go. It's stuck. Oh, these are good for the summer shorts. You're wearing shorts soon. It goes down the bottom. So now in here, let's see what's next. Oh, here's a ship. It's a big ship. Right down. Oops, it won't stay. Ship. Yeah, there's ship. There we go. Oh, this is a shamrock. We just had that for St. Patrick's Day in March. We use that shape.
Okay, we're going to try to write some of our shapes that we talked about in this last worksheet. We had wanted to know how many sides for different shapes. It was a sand castle, and you were to tell how many sides each shape has, okay? Or how many shapes you found actually also. So we've been talking about that, how many sides each shape has, and then in this last worksheet, we talked about how many shapes you could find in that sand castle. All right, so I hope you were able to do that worksheet. And then also, we're just gonna go over really quickly. We're gonna do a triangle first. Here's your triangle. It has 3 sides, right? 1, 2, 3. That's how you draw your triangle. Because later on, we're going to talk about journaling and drawing a picture out of your shapes. So there's the 3 sides. Here is your square. Sammy square, Terry triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the square. 4 equal sides. Here's a rectangle. It's a little longer, so 2 sides are short and 2 are long. So there's 4 sides altogether. Talked about a diamond. 4 sides. Just tracing over so you can see. 2, 3, 4. Right? What about a circle? No sides, right? 1 line, right? What about an oval? looks like an egg. No sides, one line, right? Okay. Mrs. Demucci practiced some other shapes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon, right? So you could practice drawing with these shapes. Okay, you might want to stick to the basic ones when you're starting out and then try the little bit more trickier ones as you get more experienced. Okay, we'll talk about that in another segment. Hi friends, I'm here to show you how to write 25. Okay, number 25. Can you believe we are on 25? I still can't get over it. So first, we're going to make our 2. Remember? Around the tree and back again. That's how we make our 2. Down, up and around for our 5. 5 has a hat. Let's try that again. Here goes the 2. And here goes the 5. You could practice this in your journals or on that worksheet I provided right before. I gave that out on the Musical Monday video. So let me know if you're able to do all of your tracing of your numbers up to 25. I'd love to see the result of that as well. 25, right? Should we try to make 25 dots? Let's do it in groups of 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 dots here, 5 dots here, 5 dots here, 5 dots here, and 5 dots here. If we add those all together, we get 25. 5 and 5, have we talked about our hands? 5 and 5, 10. 5 and 5, 10. Plus 5 equals 25. If we counted all those dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, right? 25 dots. We're just grouping them in different ways to practice how we can make 25. Okay, friends? This is way far away, but just an introduction, because really what I want you to see are these dots. Groups of 5s. Great. 25, 25, 25, 25. Hello, my friends. It's Mrs. Demucci, and I am back with a fun process art activity with our shh sound for the week. Okay, so this is all you'll need here. I have 2 colored pieces of construction paper, and I have a little glass jar of water, and I chose to use Q-tips, but you can use cotton balls as well. But with this we have a little more control. So what we're going to do is we're going to use water to paint with, which is a great and easy way to have a fun time, sort of like painting without a lot of fuss and cleanup. So what we're gonna do, friends, is I'm gonna use my yellow first and see what happens with that. And I'm going to try to write our sound and our letters for the week. Okay, our sh sound, SH, okay? And I'm gonna practice writing that, which we learned a little earlier, how to write it. Now it's a little tricky because you're doing it with water, so you might have to lift it off the page. There is our S, right? Now let's do our H. I'm going to do, there we go. Isn't that fun, friends? Shh. S-H. We could try it capital way as well. So that's going to be a little bit bigger. I ran out of room, so that would be a little bigger. And here's our capital H. Okay? Shh. Right? Now, you could also just paint on this, right? I could make little polka dots. I could draw a picture as a stick person. And you could have lots of fun just painting with water. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's try it on our black piece of paper next. Okay, friends, here we are again. This time, I'm going to try to write the number 25 like we practiced before. Now again, you could just draw a cool picture. There's the 2. Here's the 5. Now it dries, right? Afterwards. So you always have sort of a clean slate. It's kind of fun. 2, 5. That's 25, right? Okay, let's try to draw, want to try to draw a diamond? How about a square? What could we make out of this square? Because we're going to have a journal entry. I built a house. Look, my house is built with a triangle, a rectangle, a square. Here's another rectangle for the door, and squares for the windows. Oh, let's make a doorknob, a circle. Right, friends? Let's try to draw with our shapes. That'll be in one of our segments following this, so that'll be a journal prompt. Okay, have fun painting with water and Q-tips or cotton balls. Hope you enjoyed this.
Hello, friends. So, I also sent you this piece of paper that has a shell, a shirt, a sheep, a ship, which is kind of hard to see, but he's there, and a shark. And that's with our SH sound that we're using this week that Mrs. Jamucci is teaching us with the lively letters too, I believe. Anyway, so we are going to try to practice writing our SH. So down here it says fill in the missing letters to make SH sound, but words. So because this is a shell, we have to put an S and an H, and that spells shell, L, and there's your shell. And here's our shirt. So we're gonna make an S. Remember, you start your letters at the top, down, and you go like that. Shirt. And here's your shirt. And you can color all these in if you want to. And next is a sheep. S, H. Sheep. There's your sheep. And here's your letter S. Start at the top. Down and over, and ship, and there's your ship. And here's our shark. S, H, shark. And all those are letters, words that start with the SH sound. Isn't that silly? It's not just shh, like to be quiet, right? It makes words. Good job, friends, and I hope you do really great and you have fun with it and take your time. Thanks, friends.
Friends, we're on to our shapes. Guys, we have learned so many shapes together. Can you believe it? There's so many shapes. Shapes are a big part of math, right? And we had read the book about shapes. I thought it'd be a good idea to journal and create some different things out of shapes. Like maybe you could try to draw a house from shapes, or you could try to draw a school bus. Something really cool that shows all of your knowledge about shapes. You could journal that, and I'd love to see it next time. Here are some really cool inspiration photos that have passed by you. A dinosaur, some flowers, people, So many things you can do. So hope to see your work. Scissor practice. Friends, have you been practicing with the scissors that are in your bin? Here are some fun ways to practice with scissors. Sometimes you can just draw lines with your Sharpie or your marker, have your mom and dad help, and you just cut along those lines. This particular one is for hair cutting make-believe. You don't cut your own hair ever or anyone else's with scissors. Scissors are just for cutting paper. So if you'd like to try this exercise, you just draw a little person and draw their hair, and you cut down the line to the hair, and then you have some squiggly haired kind of person. Super fun. Hi friends, it's story time. Are you ready to take a seat on the floor? Everybody take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. Everybody take a seat on the floor. Not on the ceiling, not on the door. Everybody take a seat on the floor. Okay, here we go. Okay, so are you ready? I'm going to be reading something from Cars. Do you guys like the movie Cars? Have you ever seen it? My boys used to love it. Now this is something to do, I had talked about vowels a little tiny bit. I keep mentioning vowels to you because we're getting into those sounds slowly but surely. Remember I said vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they help bring together those consonants, all the rest of the letters in the alphabet. So I'm just bringing it up. This is far beyond what you guys need to know, but it's just interesting because we've gone so far so quickly through doing distance learning. I'm allowed to cover so many more things because it's just you and me, right? So this is from our phonics book, Stories of Cars, and this one's called The Mad Dash, and it's Disney learning. This is book 1, short A, okay? I'm gonna show you the cover. Here we go. Called The Mad Dash. Lightning is a race car. He races at the track. Ack. That's the short A sound. Apple, right? We learn all about that. See the word track? Lightning is not at the track. He took the wrong ramp. He is lost. He is sad. That's one of the words we're bringing up. Sad. Sad. See it? It's in bold. There's also track, we just talked about, and ramp. That's also an short sound. He drives too fast. Crash. Lightning is trapped. He wrecked the road. What can he do? Aww. Here's our sounds, our short sounds. Ready? Fast, crash, trapped, and can. He can fix the road. He can fix it fast. Is lightning handy? Here are our short or short A vowel sounds. Can, can. Fast, asked. Can again. Handy, hand, No, lightning is not handy. He splashed the tar. The road is still in bad shape. Short sounds. Handy. Splashed, ashed, bad. Lightning is mad. He is in a jam, and he misses the track. Mad. Jam. Track. Hear them? Lightning goes back. He smooths the tar. He fixes it in a flash. The cars are happy. Back, ack, flash, ash, happy, happy. I'm under here, guys. Lightning is happy. He can dash to the track. He can drive away fast. There he is. Happy, happy, track, track. Fast, fast. Did you hear all those So that's the first one. We have a series, okay? Get ready. Vowels. Hope you enjoyed that. Mad dash, dash. Bye, friends. Have a great rest of the day. Hope you enjoyed Crafty Wednesday today. No tomorrow, but goodbye from today. Let's do this preschool style. You ready for a little rap? See you later, alligator, gotta run, skeleton. See you soon, baboon, after a while, crocodile. Adios, hippos, gotta go, buffalo, out the door, dinosaur, got a truck, baby duck. I do cockatoo, chop, chop, lollipop, better swish, jellyfish, be sweet, parakeet. Bye-bye, butterfly, got a scat, kitty cat, blow a kiss, goldfish, toodaloo, kangaroo, give a hug, ladybug, chow, chow, brown cow, hit the trail, tiny snail, in an hour, sunflower, in the morn, unicorn, better shake, rattlesnake, thumbs up, silly pup, gotta scram, little lamb, can't stay, blue jay, take care, polar bear. Bye! See you tomorrow!